At Agosha, recovery isn't an afterthought. It's a performance essential. Every athlete, every body needs time to repair, reset, and come back stronger. That's why our recover sessions go beyond stretching. We combine guided fascial release to unlock tightness, long hold stretches to lock in mobility, and restorative breathwork to calm both body and mind. These sessions are designed to target the muscles and joints that carry you through every workout and everyday life. They reduce stiffness, improve range of motion, and help prevent injury, so you can keep showing up consistently. This isn't slowing down. It's the smart work that makes the hard work possible, because recovery is where real progress happens. Recover at Agosha, where restoration fuels performance.